Hey everyone, welcome in. Today's video is going to be for entertainment purposes only, but I wanted to make a quick video today to talk about three stocks which I think have been really beat down from their year-to-date high. I think all three of these stocks are sitting in an oversold territory right now where they have really solid entry and really high potential to do quite well moving forward. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. For those new to the channel, my friends call me Mr. Algo. I'm an investor, entrepreneur, MBA graduate, and software engineer. And for the last 15 years or so, I've made a living creating big data analysis systems using some pretty crazy algorithms, AI, machine learning, and deep learning as well. And on this channel, I talk about how I utilize that experience and knowledge to help me make better decisions when I purchase and trade stocks and crypto. So if you're entertained by the video today, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. I try and make content regularly, and I would love for you all to be a part of my journey here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first stock here. So the first one I want to talk about today is going to be Chargepoint. So Chargepoint is one of the market leaders in the electric vehicle charging space. This is a stock that in an industry that I think is going to be doing quite well for years to come. We're seeing a big push in a lot of major automobile manufacturers to start moving towards electric vehicles. You have Ford, you have Nissan, Tesla, NIO, Xpeng, Li, all of these automakers are just continuing to gain some market share and put out some pretty incredible products. You also have Lucid coming to market as well. So this is an industry I don't think it's going to be going away, and is pretty set up for some pretty significant growth moving forward. We can see, looking at the chart here for Chargepoint, it's had a pretty interesting year so far. We can see it started in January, having a nice little bull run. And then we get up to the mid 40s, and then it's had a pretty interesting journey from there. It came crashing down to March. We got down to the low 20s, and it's tried to do some stuff a couple of times, but we found ourselves here in the low 20s again. This one, I think, is going to really have a good chance to make some solid moves moving forward. You can see from year to date, this is down 32%. Last 30 days, it's just been really beat up here. And then we can see today, this almost had a 10% gain, which is what we want to see for this one. The analysts are also bullish on this. We can see that their 12-month median price target is getting this back up into the high 30s here. So potential for a nice almost 40% gain according to the analyst, which definitely be nice to have. So I think that this one is a really solid entry. I own this stock, and I'm continuing to take advantage of these prices because I think that this one has a really bright future. The other stock I want to talk about is Golden Nugget Online Gaming. So this is another one that's been pretty beat down. Year to date, this is down 38%. Just not really had much going for it this year. We can just see it's just this continued downward trajectory, but we've kind of been trading sideways here for quite some time, and I think that we're pretty close at finding the bottom here of where this is gonna end up, and it's finding some solid support here. So I think this is another one that has a really solid potential. We know, like, the online gaming industries is going to continue to boom, especially as more states legalize it. So it's coming. The train is coming for online gaming, and I think Golden Nugget is really going to be benefiting from more of these states continuing to legalize it. Quick look at the analyst target price for this one. They have this going to $24 here. Just give you a 50% upside from where we are today. Pretty significant gains. And again, $24, we were pretty much already there earlier this year. Got up to $22.79. So this is one that I think is going to do quite well. And then we'll run through one more, and we have Skillz. Skillz is another company that I think has a really solid potential. Skillz does a lot of games and has a pretty interesting business strategy. I think that we are normalizing here again, trading sideways, but we can see that we're almost 20% down year to date. And I think that this one is going to do quite well moving forward as well. Again, the analysts are pretty bullish on this one. They have this one at a 24 median price target, 12 months. I think could potentially get there pretty quickly, actually. You can see earlier in the year, this was already ran up to mid 40s here. So we know this one can make some moves, and as it's shown here in the past, and I have no reason to doubt that we can't get this one moving in the right direction as well. So similar to a lot of these growth stocks, these last 30 days or so have just been absolutely brutal. You can see here just a lot of red, but then again today we started to see that nice bounce back. So there we go. Those are the 3 stocks that I have for you today. I'm super excited about all of those stocks. They're all in my portfolio, and I'm just continuing to dollar cost average into those. And that's what I have for you in today's video. Again, if you found this video entertaining, feel free to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.